Good morning, my name is Dave. I'm with Fireline Equipment, your E1 Central PA dealership. I woke up this morning here in Central PA and it was 30 degrees. Made me think, boy, it can't be long until some of that nasty weather's come along. Have you had a chance to check your on-spot chains? We carry a full line of on-spots, and now might be a good time to do a quick inspection. We carry things like the chain ring, air solenoids, right down to the bushings you're going to need to keep your chains operating properly. OnSpot has provided us with a real simple, quick, and easy way to inspect your chains to make sure they're running properly. If you go to one of the OnSpot products, you'll see below the picture of the product itself an OnSpot check form. Takes about 30 seconds to do. You'll know whether you need to repair your chains or not. If you do need your chains repaired, simply come to the store, order the parts you need, and you should have them in a couple of days. If you don't find what you're looking for, rest assured we can get them. We are an OnSpot dealer, and OnSpot will have them to us in no time. If you're not sure what you need, you can always contact us by either calling either of the numbers up here at the top of the page, or fill out the simple form, and one of our experts will get with you within those longer than 2 hours. So get those chains inspected. Make sure they're running well. We don't want to see any accidents out there. Thank you.